Artboard, if you keep this option in check, which say artboards, and you create a new file, you can see there is a thing written artboard 1. Now what does it mean? Artboard 1 means the first working area. What is the working space? You can have multiple of them. From there, this option is says artboard tool. Beneath the move tool there is artboard tool. You can select this and have multiple artboards here like this in any dimension. If I zoom out, you can clearly see this. I can have a artboard here. Now what exactly is the artboard? Now you see, if I'm working on a magazine, I'm designing multiple pages in one file, then we have multiple artboards. See, I have selected this, and this is the use of artboard. Okay, you can also rename the artboards as like first page. Of course, the artboard here the name will also be changed. The number second would be second page, and so on like this. You can have third page, fourth page, and any number of pages you want. And when you will save them, they will be saved as a different files, or they can be in one file as well. Like if you want a PDF document, they can have in one document, these all papers will be printed. But if you want them as separate, they will also be saved as separate from this option here, which says export, and it says export as. And there is also this option artboards to files, artboards to PDF. Okay, export preferences. And so this is it. You can also save them in one image also, like this. If you will save them, I'll go with PNG 24. And if you will save them, and let me save it on my desktop. Okay, I'll name it artboards. Artboards. Okay, now you can see that this file has been saved, and all of the pictures are in one image. Okay, so you can work on them and then save them like this. Also, you can have this option, artboards to files. This will create different files for the artboards. Okay, so let me browse this destination again, desktop. Okay, and I'll name it art, simply art, alt, and export selected artboards. No, I will uncheck this and then run the command, and it will show us a sign. This is saving it file by file. You can see this is processing. I'm not doing anything. Okay, artboards to files was successful. Okay, now if we go to this, you see this is the first page, this is the second page, this is the third page, and this is the fourth page. They have been saved in separate files. You can see we have named them as art. So art first page, art second page, art artboard 3, art artboard 4. Okay, you can view them. So this is how we save and work with artboards. We can have, like, I have select this, and now I will work on it. Artboard is selected. Try selecting layers within the artboard. You see, when you have to work on that, you have to select the layers within. You don't have to check the artboard heading. You will just work on this like this. Anything you want, you can zoom in, you can design a poster, you can design a page. So, and this was the artboard. And also you can have this multiple options, and you can also change the orientation in vertical or in horizontal, either you want. So this was it with artboards. Thank you.